Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how you can make money on Vimeo. First, you have two monetization options. The first one is Vimeo on Demand. Click on your profile picture and then select settings. Then scroll down and click on Sell Your Videos. This will take you to Vimeo on Demand page. As you can see, Vimeo on Demand is not currently available for new sellers. But with Vimeo On Demand, you can sell your videos directly by creating an on-demand page, set pricing, upload a poster image, and share your page to promote your video. You can check out the Start Selling with Vimeo On Demand article published by Vimeo for more details. The second option is Vimeo OTT. Click on Use Vimeo OTT to go to the Vimeo OTT page. With Vimeo OTT, you can offer a subscription service with your video library. Customize your channel, set subscription pricing, and promote it. Check out the ways to sell on Vimeo OTT article for more details about how to sell on Vimeo OTT. And there is also another option. Go to vimeo.com and here click on your profile picture and click on More, then select Referrals. Here you can earn $50 per referral for each qualified customer that purchases an annual plan, and they will get 25% off. Referral payments will be paid in the form of an Amazon gift card and are subject to additional terms. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!